Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuffin' Things with day 26 of March Madness, revealing all of the cards that I have made, or cards. Now I'm getting into cards I have pulled from previous events that I attended. So I had to dig for the last few cards. So this particular one is one that I made, never finished. It kind of went in a different direction than we wanted it to go, and this was from a crafting session, a virtual one, when I was still traveling. I craft with my upline Libby once a month, virtually. And this particular one is using Nothing's Better Than, which I didn't own at the time. I might have even done this when I was visiting her in person last July. So, 2 Julys ago. Wow, time sure does fly. So this is a 2-year-old project, and I finally put it together. This is my rendition of Today is a Chocolate Kind of Day, and the most notable thing I was working on was doing a really thick buildup on the chocolate, with the top being the brushed gold, which is still current. This trim is not current, and everything else on this card is. I do have an embossing folder. It's the timber embossing folder. It didn't show up really strong, layer on layer with the early espresso, but that is also current. This die, the cute filigreed dies, are not current. Oops, I'm off the page, sorry. So hopefully you can see all of this. So the die cut label is a label. I'm not sure. Here, let's see what we've got. Nothing's better than, love you more than dies. Nope. So that was actually, that special label was part of this special filigreed. So that is aftermarket. You can find that on the secondary market. I will see if I can figure out what it is called and make note of it on the supplies list on my blog article. I used for the bling, I used the festive pearls. Cuts are pretty random, trying to do things a little bit different, and I think it ended up being a little bit fancier than this particular bit of chocolate came out. So I'm still not sure, looking at it, whether it works for me or not, but it did fill up one day on my needing 30 projects to be able to film. So if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, you can leave them here on the video or over on my blog. Tell me what you think of this card. Does it work for you? Is it just not enough? Is it too fancy? Like I said, something about it is not right. Even after having not looked at it for almost 2 years, when I was putting it together, I'm like, yep, there's still just something not quite right about this one. So let me know what you think of it. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Tune in tomorrow for day 27. And thanks for watching.